It starts with a single sip. Within seconds, your body's primary engine senses a chemical invader. This is the 6-minute countdown to a total system takeover. Unlike food, alcohol skips the slow digestive gears. It uses your esophagus as a high-speed highway, rushing toward your core. In the stomach, the alcohol begins its bypass. It doesn't wait for enzymes. It begins to leak directly through your organ walls. The culprit is ethanol, a molecule so small it moves through your living tissue like a ghost passing through a wall. Now in the bloodstream, it hitches a ride on your red blood cells. From here, no part of your engine is safe. The blood carries the toxins straight to the liver. Your body's filter activates, but it's already being overwhelmed by the sheer volume.
In its struggle, the liver converts alcohol into acetaldehyde. This is the real poison. It's 30 times more toxic, attacking your DNA on contact. The toxic blood hits your heart. Your heart rate spikes, pumping faster and harder to flush the intruder out.
Now, the poison heads for the brain. The blood-brain barrier, designed to protect your command center, is helpless against it. In under 10 minutes, every system is impacted. Your brain, heart, and liver are now under a chemical takeover.
Judgment disappears first. Alcohol floods the frontal lobe, dimming your self-control and caution. The brain's executive center begins to flicker and fade.
It's a chemical shutdown. Alcohol binds to your receptors, acting like a brake pedal for your entire nervous system, slowing every thought to a crawl.
Next, it hits the cerebellum, your center for balance. As the signals flicker, your internal GPS fails, and the world begins to tilt.
Information from your optic nerves arrives fragmented. Your speech centers paralyze, turning thoughts into a blur of slurred signals.
Deep inside, your pancreas enters an emergency state. Alcohol triggers internal secretions that can lead to painful orange-red inflammation.
It's a thermal illusion. Alcohol dilates your surface vessels, rushing warm blood to the skin while your vital core begins to cool down. Signal decay spreads. The electrical pathways from your brain to your limbs are now moving in slow motion, delaying every reaction. Within an hour, the takeover is systemic. From your brain to your fingertips, your biological engine is officially under the influence. The morning after starts with a desperate cry for water. Alcohol hijacks your hormones, forcing your internal engine to dump life-saving hydration.
As you dry out, sensitive neural tissues contract, triggering that familiar, pounding headache. Your command center is under extreme stress.
Every session leaves a mark. Your internal filters are left scarred, working overtime to clear the toxic leftovers from your system. It even attacks your strength, disrupting the protein synthesis your body needs to repair and maintain muscle tissue.
The nausea you feel is a distress signal. Your internal lining is irritated, inflamed, and producing excess acid in full retreat.
Healing takes time. When the toxins finally clear, your body begins the massive job of restoration, craving minerals to find its rhythm once again.
Your body is a masterpiece. Understanding the true cost of every sip is the first step to protecting the magnificent engine